What should I feed my baby? Something nutritious, delicious, and easy to make. I know, congee. Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. The recipe I'd like to share with you today is congee for my little one. Congee or jok is an East Asian dish consisting of boiling rice until it becomes porridge-like. The most popular way to enjoy congee would probably be plain, which you would then add pickled vegetables, bamboo shoots, and Chinese donuts. But congee is also so versatile that you could probably make it any way you'd like. This idea of feeding my baby congee was an idea shared with me from my mom, and apparently what I had when I was a baby too. When I had my first baby, and now with my second baby, I can see why it's the perfect food for my little ones. Congee is soothing, comforting, easy to digest. What more could you ask for from a dish? Let me show you how. So to start, you're gonna put 2/3 cup of rice into a bowl, and then you're going to wash it. You're gonna do this by adding water to the bowl and then swirling the water and the rice around with your fingers, and this will just wash the rice and get rid of any excess starch. You'll want to do this around 3 times. For the liquid portion of the congee, I like to use stock rather than water, just for added nutrients. For this recipe's proportions, I like to use about 20 ounces of stock. Now for the veggies. For a portion this size, I like to use 1/3 of a large head of cauliflower and 2 medium-sized carrots. But really, you can use whatever vegetables you like for a variation of taste. I've also used daikon, kohlrabi, zucchini. Really, just use whatever you or your little one likes. So to start off, you're going to wash your cauliflower and wash and peel your carrots. Next, you're going to chop up your vegetables into smaller pieces. Also, my daughter seems to really like the taste of green onion and garlic, so I'm going to be adding 1 stalk of green onion and 1 clove of garlic. I like to finely chop my green onion just because I find that sometimes when you're blending the green onion, it gets caught on the blades of the blender and it really doesn't go into your congee, just kind of stays on the blades. For the protein portion of the congee, I like to use chicken breasts, so I'm going to be using 1/3 of a chicken breast, and I'm going to be cutting that into 1-inch strips for faster cooking. I've also used pork and fish, so whatever protein your baby likes, you can just go ahead and use that instead if you'd like. So now in a large pot, I'm going to be combining my washed rice, my stock, my vegetables, my green onion, and my garlic, and then I'm going to put that on high heat and bring to a boil. You'll have to watch your pot so it doesn't boil over, and that happens very quickly, so just keep an eye on your pot. Once it comes to a boil though, you can just adjust the stove to low and simmer for about half an hour. Add your chicken breast in about halfway through the simmering process. When it's done simmering, you can just transfer the congee to a blender and blend until you have the consistency you want. Another way I like to make congee, which is actually how I normally make congee, is in my Thermomix. Add all the ingredients except for the chicken to the pot, put the lid on, set my Thermomix to 20 minutes at 100 degrees and speed setting 2. Once the temperature reaches 100 degrees, I increase the speed setting to at least 3 to avoid the congee from bubbling over. When your timer has about 10 minutes remaining, add in the chicken breast. After you're done making your congee, you can serve it once it's cooled, or you can put it in the fridge for later and heat it up at mealtime. It's good in your fridge for up to 3 days. You're going to find that your congee will get a little thick over time. It's just the rice absorbing the excess liquid. If you find that your congee has become too thick, you can add some water to bring it back to your desired consistency. A portion this size yields about 5 servings for my little girl, but it might be a little more or a little less depending on how much your little one eats. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe or a variation of my recipe, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and consider subscribing for more food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!